Today, there's a worldwide trend towards keyboard, video, mouse technology moving in the direction of IP. Why does everyone think it's so great? Many people think IP protocol is the best protocol for all types of communication exchange or signal delivery. But is IP really making everything easier to set up, more reliable, and more cost-effective? A true KVM solution requires a dedicated proprietary switch, while the IP side claims that just any network switch will work. Let's have a closer look at cost first. But is it really only the cost of the switch and extenders? Plug in your proprietary KVM switch from IHSE and it will simply work with only minutes of setup time. All systems are ready in a short space of time and production work in your company can start immediately. However, trying to get an IP KVM network switch set up correctly is not really plug and play. In order to make this IP KVM network system work, lots of other actions need to be taken, such as network configuration, setup of IP addresses, gateways, firewalls, and permissions. It is very complex to properly configure the IP network in order to ensure adequate performance and reliability. Direct and indirect costs keep going up. IP-based KVM switches depend on the fact that the interaction between the KVM system and the separate TCP/IP infrastructure is trouble-free. This is very rarely the case, especially when it comes to updates in either the KVM or the separate IP environment. True KVM from IHSE is a single-layer system solution. Less complex infrastructure and protocols boost reliability and reduce lifetime cost. So, are you sure you want to share existing infrastructure? We would recommend to stay with True KVM. Why use True IHSE KVM rather than an IP KVM network switch? IHSE, the specialist in reliable, high-performance signal management.